Hello, my name is Emily Ng. I grew up in San Diego, California, but I'm living in Salt Lake City now with my husband and my son, who's 8 months old. Um, Interesting things about me: I like to bake, I like to run, I love reading and writing. So, yeah, pretty normal. um, Something that I really hope to be able to get out of this class is to be able to understand other cultures better and to have more of an open mind when talking to and interacting with people of different cultures. Something that's really cool about where we live right now is there's all kinds of cultures. There's people from mainland China, from India, from Portugal, Brazil. I mean, people from all over live here. And so I think it would be really useful for me to be able to be open-minded about the way they do things and the way they think about life. Also, I am getting a TESOL certificate, and so teaching English to speakers of other languages, it's really important to be able to identify with their culture a little bit, or at least understand it. So the pictures I have, this first one is my husband and I, we went to Hong Kong when my son was 4 months old, so we went to a really fancy place for food. So they had this set up where we took a picture. And then we were getting street food. We went to the night market, and it was really, really good food. And the last picture is just kind of a typical day in our lives. Just shenanigans. So, something that I learned about myself from doing the activity this week, or today, I learned that I am a abstract random thinker. That one got 52 points, and then the next highest category was concrete sequential thinker, and that only got 28 points. So definitely abstract random. And something that surprised me from that was that it mentioned those people tend to be good with interacting with other people, and I never thought of myself as a good socializer or even someone that liked socializing until I was married. And then my husband kept telling me, "You're good at talking to people." I was like, what? And then it's just kind of been something that's developed a lot over the last couple of years as I've gotten to be able to understand people more for living in different places, and I find that I really genuinely enjoy interacting with them. So that was kind of funny, just reconfirming that, and I realized that I do reflect a lot on life, and that's what I learn a lot from. And so when the next tie is concrete sequential, I see that come out a lot in my baking and my cooking, because I always have to have the kitchen cleaned, and then I can start getting the ingredients. And then once I have all my ingredients in their special bowls, then I can put them together and make something out of it. So it's just kind of funny to see that, I do need things to happen in a linear way, otherwise I feel like everything is chaotic. But I'm also kind of spontaneous, so I don't know how it works, it just kind of does. So that's me, and I enjoy working with everyone in class.